Hello, hope you're doing well today. This is Westley from West Reviews, and today I'm doing an unboxing or unbagging of this craft product from the brand BlinkOne. You can buy it on Amazon. All the details about the brand, a review of the product, and the links that you need are going to be down in the link in the description with a link to my blog where you can find all the details. For now, this is a first impressions before I've even used the product. This is the first time I'm spending with it. Unboxing or unbagging of these alphabet letters. Now you can see here you get a lot. Now this sells for $23.99, which in my mind is a bargain because you get 2,000 pieces of beads. So each design 200 pieces. Then 7 kinds of round bead, 3 kinds of square beads, 3 rolls of elastic string cord. So I've never made a bracelet like this before. I might give it a try on camera or I might not. We'll see what happens. And it's really impressive to me that they have the rolls of the string, so you have everything you need. So right away, if you're having a party, if you have, a scout event or just a gaggle of kids, you're stuck at home, there's a pandemic on, and you need a craft for a bunch of kids, this is the perfect one. Because it's cheap, $23.99, and it has a whole bunch of beads in here and the string that you need. Now, I don't know if it's any good, so I'll say it's perfect, but we don't know yet. So let's give it a open and see what's going on. So I can just open the bag like this. It's very easy to open. All the stuff is inside. It's all bubble wrapped. So I pull it out, get that bag out of the way. Get out of here, bag. And then we have, the label that was in with it. So we'll get rid of that. Now this is in a small bubble wrap pouch that's just been taped on. So again, it's very easy to open. Some places, really, it's a nightmare getting their stuff open. Not this one. So I'm just going to empty it all out. Here come the beads. Oh boy, this one's stuck on the tape. There we go. So right away you can see there's a reasonable amount here for the cost. Even if you're just using them for crafts, this is pretty cool. So we have the 3 spools of string, I think it said, or maybe there's only 2. Let me check. 3 rolls of elastic string. Okay, I'm only seeing 2 rolls of elastic string. So, unless I'm losing my mind, which is a definite possibility. Okay, so right away, that's a black mark on it for me. I feel bad saying that because so far it seems like a great product. But right away off the bat, we're missing 1 pack of string. Now it says 3 rolls of elastic string cord included right here on the label. So we're missing 1. So for me right away, that would be a 1 star off. Of, say it was going to be a 5-star review, I would minus a star for that. So what it will do is double check the Amazon listing later and see if it's only supposed to be 2. But sometimes what it says on the label is different than what's on the Amazon listing. So we'll see. But seems like so far, unless I find it as I go, which I've gone through these and it seems like it's not there, I have only, never mind. I was losing my mind. It was right over here. I call myself a person with an eye for detail, but the second you put a camera in front of me, I can't see 3 feet in front of my face. So it does have the 3. So right away, we're back to no black marks. So you can see it's a pretty simple spool here. Hopefully we'll just be able to pull. It looks like, yep, the thread has just been tucked right underneath here. So if you just pull the thread, you should be able to start unspooling it. And you can see here that the thread is a reasonable quality. It's elastic. It's nice thick elastic. So it's a good quality thread. It's not cheap or rubbish. And it is an elastic style thread. It's not crazy elasticy, but it definitely has a little bit of elastic give. So it looks like a nice quality. And it says 0.8 here. Now I don't know, is that 0.8 meters? Let me see. Yep, 0.8 millimeter diameter. It has a 10 meter length. So that's a pretty decent amount of string. On top of that, you can see that the quality of the beads here is all the same. Sometimes when you're buying, Asian off-brand stuff, you worry that it won't look nice. Sorry, I just saw the word box. Like unboxing. So you can see here that the quality of the letters is pretty damn good. And the same here. You've got a whole bunch of numbers, all really good quality. Then you have these multiple-sided letters. Again, they all seem like fantastic quality. I'm not seeing any flaws in my first impression. You got these ones. These are pretty nice as well. And I love the fact that you have so many different colors. You can mix and match these and make some really cool bracelets. So I see here are the rounded version of these square ones. And this is like the square version of these round ones that we already did. And then on top of that, we have 2 white sets here, which are both round. One is just letters, and the other is just hearts. Now, considering the sheer amount of these here, I feel like you're definitely going to have enough letters, but when I'm going through my testing process, I'll be able to tell you whether or not they had all the letters that'll be in my review, enough of each of the letters. And here's a really lovely black color. So, like, honestly, this is like a slam dunk 5-star review so far on first impressions. The review will be in the descriptions now, so you can check out if it turned out to be a 5-star after I had some time with this product. And what I'm going to do is probably make a bracelet, but I don't think I'm going to do it on camera just because it's a little bit fiddly. But my first impressions of this product are really good. So based on first impressions, I would recommend it. And you can buy it by following my link. However, I would check out my finished review, which it will be, by the time you watch the video, it will be in the description. But I'll have spent a lot more time with the product on that review than I did in this video here. So that's the BlinkOne 10 Stylist Combo Letter Beads. So it's 2,000 pieces of acrylic alphabet beads and the little hearts, and it comes with the string. And it's $23.99 on Amazon.ca. If you found this video helpful or just straight up had a good time, give it the old thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe, comment, follow my blog, just generally be like, hey, we like what you're doing. Westley out. Thanks.